Dean with I Buy Cool Stuff. We're up at the property. We're going to move some logs, take them over to the Amish Sawmill. So, them hooks I bought seem to be working well. Ah! So anyhow, we cut these last year, and we're going to take them to the Amish guy and get them cut for lumber. So, should be good. So we piled these up last year. I got that one right in the middle first try. I bought them tongs. Them are sure handy. Makes this moving this shit a lot faster. So this is Dean with I Buy Cool Stuff. So we've been loading the logs and everything, and we've got them loaded here on the trailer. Let me turn it around. So we've got them all loaded here now. Now tomorrow morning we're going to take them to the Amish Sawmill and get them cut into lumber. It's 15 cents a board foot to get them cut, which makes a 10-foot 2x6 $1.50. So a 10-foot 2x6 $1.50. So like I always say, you know, like, subscribe, comment, and God bless you and God bless America.